Hey guys, here's your video to walk you through the root test, the one we didn't have time in class for. The good news is for the root test, the setup is kind of like what we did with the ratio test as far as having all those scenarios. So it's essentially the same kind of thing, but this time instead of doing a ratio, we're literally going to do a root. So our first scenario would be the limit as n goes to infinity for the nth root of your series term, your nth term. If that's less than 1, then the series is absolutely convergent. Okay? So last time we literally just did the ratio, and if that limit was less than 1, then the series was absolutely convergent. This time we're literally just taking the nth root. And I'll do an example, you'll see, but this is the setup for it. Again, if the nth root is greater than 1 as you take that limit, then the series is divergent. And last but not least, you already know what's coming if you were here today. The nth root, a sub n, equals 1, then the root test, is inconclusive. Okay, so let's look at an example of how that works. And these are really obvious because what you'll see is the series is like to the nth power, or can be modified to be to the nth power. So for your example, we could look at the series 2n plus 3 over 3n plus 2, all raised to the nth power. And a lot of times you'll see there'll be something raised to the nth power. And as soon as you see that, if you can make the whole thing to the nth power, then you can take the nth root of the whole thing. So here's the series. We're going to apply the root test. So we're going to take the limit as n goes to infinity for the nth root of 2n plus 3 over 3n plus 2 to the nth. And that's going to be the limit as n goes to infinity. The nth root of something to the n, obviously, that's just 2n plus 3 over 3n plus 2, which is 2/3, which last time I checked is less than 1. Therefore, the series, I'll write it up here. Therefore, this series is absolutely, how about we spell that right? Absolutely convergent. Sorry, I'm in a little rush. I got to go pick up my kids. And that's basically it. Okay. What I'll do is when I get a chance, I'll make another video. I'll do one more example of like each kind, and for ratio and root. And but this should get you through the homework. The ratio test you're going to use most of the time. You'll see this again because it's to the nth power, and or it can be manipulated to look like this. And that's pretty much it. The good thing is it's the same setup. Less than 1 is good. Greater than 1 is bad. Equals 1. Who knows? Okay, do a different test. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Those of you in the musical, I hope everything's going well. And I know you probably won't watch this until either late tonight or tomorrow. So break a couple legs. See ya.